Beautiful spring morning, and I have tons to plant, and I also have to get ready for the market, but I wanted to start off this video with a quick tip. So my very first garden, I started off growing on a apartment patio, and you guys can do it too. So I successfully grew berries, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, grapes even, and citrus. So the first thing you want to know is to hand pollinate, because you're on a patio, there's not a lot of bees, or you hope there's not a lot of bees visiting your apartment. But the thing that you will need is a makeup brush, a Q-tip, or you can just use your hand. It's as simple as that. So you guys check out these blooms. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do, even with your strawberries, and I'll try to show you guys some strawberries if I have some blooming, but this is a pear tree, so you're gonna want to locate your flower. And you can also hand pollinate here. You just take your finger and you just go to each one. That's it. It's as simple as that. Just rubbing your finger or taking your brush and just going to each one. Some strawberries here. You're gonna want to locate the flower there, and you're just gonna do the same thing that I showed you guys. You can take your finger or your brush and just dust and go to another one. So you guys, make sure you either get a self-pollinating fruit tree, or you can grab two different varieties and then you just cross-pollinate, which is just taking the pollen from that fruit tree to your other fruit tree, and that's it.